Hello, welcome to ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Jamaican reggae artist Skip Marley was forced to forego his show in Canada. He posted a video on his Twitter account apologizing to his fans for not being able to perform.
Unfortunately, this time we've been turned away, but we're looking forward to, rescheduling right at the toy box. So once again, I want to apologize to all the fans. We tried, but we're going to keep on trying, until next time. So everyone can look forward to that. But as of right now, the rules are the rules. We're looking forward to rescheduling. So until then, one love.
Arrangements are also being made for persons who purchased tickets to be refunded. Founder Patricia Chin celebrated her 85th birthday last evening. VP Records is currently the largest label publisher of reggae and dancehall music. Patricia recently visited Jamaica and provided financial assistance to the Alpha Institute, formerly Alpha Boys Home. Now onto the international scene, where the 71st staging of the highly anticipated Miss Universe pageant will for the first time in history be held in New Orleans.
Miss Universe.
The competition will host performers, celebrity judges, fans, and of course, the beautiful contestants from 90 countries across the globe. The event will be held at the New Orleans Ernest N. Memorial Center on January 14 in 2023. I'm Daedran Gordon reporting for ePrime. Thank you for watching.